Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Prashant and I have started video series on Python for beginners. If you are new to my channel, check my previous videos. Today we are learning different types of operators in Python. In previous videos we seen some statements like addition of two numbers or something like a equal to a plus b. In this, these numbers and these variables are called as operand, and these symbols plus equal to are called as operator. In Python, operators are categorized in 6 types: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and special operators. Special operators are divided in 2 types: identity operator and membership operator. So let's start with arithmetic operators. A equal to 10, b equal to 4. First operator is addition, a plus b, then a minus b, a multiply b, a divide b. In Python, there is another operator is floor division, a double backslash b. If you observe these two divide operation, first one will output is float and second output is in format. This floor division discards the point value and remains only the integer value. Next operation is modulus, a percentile b. It gives a reminder of the division. Next is raise to operation, a double star 4. This operation is like a raised to 4. We can do arithmetic operations on string also. Let's see, a equal to laptop, b equal to computer. And to join a and b, we can simply apply a plus b. It will be a join of string. Then a star 3. It will multiply the string 3 times. Next operator type is comparison operators. We can call it as relational operators. Comparison operators are used to compare the values. Comparison operator returns either true or false. Let's try. 5 is greater than 6. It's a false statement. 6 is less than 4. It's also false statement. 6 is greater than 8. It's also false statement. 8 is greater than 3. It's a true statement. 5 is less than or equal to 5. It's a true statement. 9 is greater than or equal to 2. It's a true statement. Then 6 equals to 6. It's a true statement. Then 6 is not equal to 6. It's a false statement. 5 is not equal to 6. It's a true statement. Next operator type is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variable. As we have already seen, we have assigned a to value 5. We have seen statements like a equal to a plus 5. We are adding 5 to the variable a and again we are storing this to variable a. If you check the value of a, it will be 10. We can do this in a shortcut way, a plus equal to 5. And now we'll check a, it will return 15. We can do these operations like a minus equal to 5. Now we'll check a, it will be 10. A multiplied equal to 2. And now we'll check a, it will be 20. Same we can do all arithmetic operators by this way. Next operator type is logical operators. They are used to perform the logical operations like AND or NOT. Logical operators returns either true or false. Here is the table of AND, OR and NOT operation. 0 is false and 1 is true. In AND operation, if both statements are true, it will return true, otherwise it is a false. In OR operation, if both statements are false, it will return false, otherwise it will return 1. In NOT operation, if statement is false, it will be true, and if it is true, it will be false. Let's try with programming. True and true. It's true. True and false. It will be false. True or false. It will be true. False or false. Not true. It will be false. Not false. It will be true. Today we learn operators in Python. In Python, operators are categorized in 6 types: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, special operators. Special operators are divided in 2 parts: identity operator and membership operator. Arithmetic operator contains mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus and raise to operator. Comparison operator or relational operator contains greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than equal to. Then we seen assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variable. It contains arithmetic operations and it will make a shortcut statement. Then we seen logical operators like AND, OR and NOT. That's it for today. We will learn remaining operators in the next videos. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Share your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.